So if you haven't heard, Wendy Williams and her ex-husband, Kevin Hunter, just had a recent interaction together. Where did they meet? They met Tuesday in front of a judge. And what were they discussing? They were discussing alimony repayments, okay? So basically, Hunter sent in a request after Wendy Williams stopped paying him alimony due to the fiscal troubles that she had encountered from the last year with Wells Fargo and her financial guardianship. You guys, so you know that Wendy Williams basically lost her show. I mean, even Cheryl Shepard had stepped in for a minute, and they just started having random hosts that would appear in the show to fill in for Wendy Williams. And at some point, we were thinking, dang, is Wendy Williams going to come back? And you guys, we waited it out, and she did not come back. But basically, when they went to court, the judge dismissed the case and told Hunter to beat it. Wendy will not be responsible for paying any of his attorney fees, court fees, or anything else that is going to help support his lifestyle with the woman that he cheated on her with. Now, I am not throwing shade. I know that there are a lot of instances where a lot of times women are usually the ones that get the alimony. But there are instances, and in which this case, Hunter was getting the alimony. Now, some of you might say, well, she was stupid for paying anyway if she know that he was taking her money and using it to support another woman. But you guys, this was something that the court ordered her to do. So she would have been in contempt, and she would have had to go back to court and pay for additional fees, and it just was no way around it. Wendy Williams' only saving grace that she doesn't have to pay is the fact that she actually lost her show. So she had a significant income decrease, and the fact that we all publicly saw her health deteriorate in front of our eyes. So she was not healthy either. So she basically has proof that she has loss of wages. So since she has loss of wages, it would not be fair for her to still have to pay alimony, because now her income is nowhere near what it could have been if she still would have been healthy doing so. Clearly, Hunter is spoiled and was doing the most. It's one thing that he nationally embarrassed her, and he put it out there that he was cheating on her, and he was parading around with this woman, spending her money with this woman, and then he still wanted Wendy Williams to support his lifestyle with this woman, all while her money is looking funny and she's sick. It's like, dang, like that's real crucial. I can imagine a lot of brothers that would be ready to beat up their mother's boyfriends, husbands, for even displaying that type of behavior. Like, that's just not even acceptable. But at the same time, a lot of people say they don't feel sorry for Wendy Williams just because of how shady she is, and just because how nasty she's been towards people, and some of the careers that she has impacted along the way of her own stardom. But you guys, drop a comment. I mean, think about it. She was literally declared disabled at some point. So why would a disabled person be paying someone else who is perfectly fine and healthy and able to get their own funds? So you guys comment. Tell me, what do you think? Do you think that Hunter should still be getting alimony checks? Or do you feel like justice was served and that Wendy Williams deserves a break? She is still recovering and trying to get her health in check. And I do hope that she does continue to improve and that she does find her own inner peace and that she gets her mojo back. Make sure you share, subscribe, and like this video.